What's up, everybody? My name is Bill, and welcome to my channel, Vagabond. This channel is going to be all about motorcycle camping, travel, and adventure. We're going to go coast to coast. I'm going to teach you guys how to camp on your motorcycle, how to find reduced or free campsites, the gear that you need, the right places to set up your gear. In this video, we're going to go from Tensleep, Wyoming, over to the Black Hills in South Dakota. Surprise, surprise, I get caught in a snowstorm, a ton of rain, animal encounters, cool historical places. So come along with me and let me show you guys what I did. Well, I'm currently crossing over Powder Pass, 9,666 feet. It's 29 degrees, the roads are wet, and it just stopped snowing. What's the worst that can happen? Well, that's it, guys. I'm gonna turn around. This is a little too much for me. Try again tomorrow. I was not lost. I'm gonna follow that plow. I'm fucking going for it. I don't know if this is a good idea or a bad idea, but I'll find out. See you guys on the other side, one way or the other. The truck driver told me it was only 10 miles in the snow. He was full of shit. I clocked it was 34 fucking miles. Dude, that dude's a liar and a fat mouth. He's a liar and a fat mouth. His feet stink and he doesn't love Jesus. That's what I think about that dude. His bell helmet fucking kept my head all safe. His Rolling Sands jacket kept me warm and dry though. Well, at least dry. Warm would be a stretch. I'll do it now though. Fortune favors the bold. Or the stupid. Is it the stupid? I think it's the stupid. Fortune favors the stupid. That's how it goes. Well, I made it to Deadwood, and I'm off to find a new campground. That's how it goes. Okay, so I'm about 5 miles up this really bumpy road, and I get to the spot where I'm going to set up camp, and I recognize that my tour pack is open. I'm like, fuck, did I drop something? I better turn around and check. Here's the result of that. Full yard sale. Everything must go. Full yard sale. Hey, what's that? I know what to do with that guy. Oh, he's gonna be too shooken up. Fucking jackets, AirPods, new license plates. Jeez, my fucking passport? Dude, I suck. Picked up all my trash, made sure I wasn't a scumbag, and I even found my lost AirPod. So that's Deadwood way down there. And this is camp. Now we got camp set up. I'm gonna head into town in a few minutes and get some supplies, pick up some water, pick up some food, get ready to hunker down. Oh, I almost forgot. One of the most important parts of camping. Step 2. Step 1 is setting up shelter. That's step 2, always. Yeah, that's good. You ever left your headlight on when you weren't supposed to and went inside and had a meal? You come back out and your battery's dead? Happened to me, happened to you? This kind of stuff's gonna happen when you're on the road. Don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. Don't panic about things. Don't worry about things. I went inside, asked the guy if he had jumper cables. He said, yeah. So I came out, grabbed my toolkit, removed the battery access cover to my bike. I'll be on the road in 5 minutes. Things just happen. It's part of being on the road. If it was fun, everyone would do it. So this gentleman just came and helped me, kindest of strangers. Had this awesome little battery power pack. I'm gonna get one.
You need to buy him one.
You need to buy me one. Someone needs to buy me one. I need one. Thank you, sir.
You bet.
All right, travelers. Today brings us to the Mount Moriah Cemetery in Deadwood, California. In Deadwood, South Dakota. Pretty cool spot. Seth Bullock, Calamity Jane, Wild Bill Hickok. A lot of pretty interesting people were laid to rest here. I'm gonna walk around and check it out. By the way, I already spotted a marmot. What's the difference between a marmot and a woodchuck? Comment below. Let me know the difference. I've heard people call them the same thing. I don't know if it's the same thing. So here we have Wild Bill's gravestone. Died at age 39 by pistol shot. It was shot by the coward Jack McCall. Now, while Wild Bill Hickok is a pretty cool name, Potato Creek Johnny? You got my vote for the coolest name in the place, sir. So Seth Bullock was born in Montana. No, that's not accurate at all. Seth Bullock was born in Canada. He moved to the Montana territories and became a lawman. He decided to give up the profession, moved to Deadwood, where the gold strike had just happened, and opened a hardware store with his partner, Saul Starr. On the way, he ran across one nefarious looking man with two men escorting him. And he stopped to inquire who they were. Sounds like maybe it's kind of a nosy guy. He found out that the man in chains was wanted for murder, and the man that was escorting him was our President Theodore Roosevelt, who was a certified badass. So, Seth Bullock joined the team, and ever since, he and Theodore Roosevelt maintained a very close friendship. When Roosevelt died, Seth Bullock named a mountain back here, about 15 miles, Mount Roosevelt, and he built a tower on top of that mountain. I'm climbing up Mount Moriah right now, where he is laid to rest. He was laid to rest so that he could see Roosevelt Tower. That's how good of friends they were. I don't think anybody's building a tower for me when I die. I don't think anybody loves me that much. By the way, this hike is tough. This is a hard hike. Only 2% of people that come here actually choose to do this hike. That statistic is complete bro science. I just made it up. My advice, pack your fucking climbing shoes. This is at least 45 degrees. It's very, very steep going and very dangerous. When they said that Seth Bullock was buried at the top of Mount Moriah, they were not being literal. I know that because I just climbed to the top of Mount Moriah. Seth Bullock is not here. I looked at the map and he's down there. All right. Well, we made it to the final resting place of Seth and Martha Bullock. It's about an 800-foot allegations? 800-foot elevation gain above the city of Deadwood. Pretty strenuous hike. Even if you don't accidentally climb the mountain like I did, it's still pretty tough. Well, this is my first YouTube video. I had a really good time making it. It was a lot more fun than I thought it was going to be, and it was half as awkward as I thought it was going to be. This is the part where I tell you guys to do the thing, fucking do the thing, like, comment, subscribe for the algorithm. Actually, got a favor. In the comments, let me know what you liked and didn't like. I'm really curious about what you guys thought about it. I'm curious about this whole experience. I'm out.